Hi, it's me, Laura. I'm back, kind of. I'm in my room. I'm trying to be quiet because Sunshine's sleeping. I'm gonna do my tinies, and I forgot my dice in the office. I'm in my bedroom right now. So I downloaded this app, and I'm gonna be rolling, and I have 1 through 12. And this book is Laura's Tinies from Sadie J. Money Boss in the Making. And I have $16. I had 32, so I put 16 in here and 16 when I do my other book of tinies. So, let's see. Well, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna do 12. I'm just winging it tonight. Let's see. Hopefully this goes to 12. 4. I'm just gonna keep going until the money goes out. 3. 6. It's over here. Darcy's playing on the floor if you hear her bell on her collar. 5. And I'm hoping to be back doing videos because I miss you guys. 6. And other than that, everything's going well. 2. And if you missed it, I'm now in Tennessee. I'm no longer in New Mexico. And I live with sunshine and chaos, cooking and budgeting. Which I'm really happy. 1. Let's see. 4. And I don't really have a lot to save because this was my first month here. So I'm hoping to save more in June. 1. 6. Why am I not getting any high numbers? Let's see. I'm going to try it again. I'm not getting any high numbers. Let me see. 12. Let's see if I can change value. I'm gonna 7. Let's see. No. I don't know if I like this. 11. I'm kind of cheating, but
A, B, C,
yeah.
D.
Let's see how much I have left. I'm gonna cheat. And 10 didn't get any. So I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm gonna 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. And I need to get a pen. I really wasn't prepared. I didn't know if I was going to do a video, but I wanted to get one up. Because I know a couple people have asked where I've been. And been busy. We got my room together, taking care of Darcy. Sunshine and me have been doing like a little reading the Bible in the mornings, which has been really nice. And we've been watching a lot of Christian movies, which I'm really enjoying. So, let's see. So 12 is from Michelle Plans Daily, and it got $2. So I just have a pen today. So 1, 2, and a lot of these are from the months I've been missing. There's Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day. Let's see. So 12. 11 is a Valentine's one from Madeline Budgets. I hope I'm in view. And I got $1. And I'll go in and back and color these in later. So this one has 2. And then 10 didn't get any. And 9 is one of, oh, it's my Easter one I didn't get to do. And I got $1. And I'm gonna go ahead and do these ones because they're printed and they're already in here. And 8 is one of my Valentine puppies, and I got $1. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I made a group play and I put it in my Ko-fi shop tonight, so I'll link it in this video in the description, and you can go get it. It's a download that you print, and I'm going to try to do my group plays either Wednesday or Sunday. I'm not sure. $1. This is from Mindy's Budgeting, and so 1. So this one has 4. And then so I'm starting with 1, and this one's the 1. This is Belle from CBA Mom Saves, and I got $2. Oops. 1, 2, and it also has 4. I know I have a lot to save for, because this is pretty much the only savings I have, is what's in these. So 2 is from Sin on a Budget, and it got 1, and it's candy one she put out. And then 3 is from Sadie J, Money Boss in the Making. And I got 1. I'm gonna do that as 1. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4, yeah, 4 is one of my doggies, the husky doggie, and I got 2. So 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've been busy also getting my Social Security transferred. Well, I had to update my address and phone number, and then I'm still in the process of trying to get Medicaid and everything else. I need to get a doctor out here, so I've been trying to do all that. This one is from Miss L. Thomas, Lauren, and it got $1. And the last one's number 6. And this one's from The Secret Budgeter. It's one of her Easter ones. And we got 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And Darcy's bumping the camera stand. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna just put my binder back together, and I'm hoping to do my other tinies from EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, Lily, because I haven't started it yet, and I'm hoping to do that in the next couple days. And then I won't have any money till I get paid again next week. So I probably won't be back till then. And if you guys want to see Darcy, I'm gonna pick her up in a minute because she's by my feet playing with the stand. And I'm going to try to do my group play too this month. I didn't get to April and May. If you guys want to see her. Come here. Oh, it's okay. Can you see her? She's in her biting stage. And when I come in my room, she always bites me. She's grown, because when we first got her, she was like the size of my hand, and now I think she's about 6 weeks, but we're not sure, because she just showed up a couple days after I got here. And stop biting me. Where's your toys? Okay, I'm gonna close this video out with Darcy, and I'll be back in a couple days. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you want to help me I need watch hours to get back into the YouTube algorithm. So, if you want to help, or if you need watch hours, let me know, and I'll try to start running playlists too. I'll see you in the next video.